In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix Walmart add to cart not working. Let's get started. First, make sure the item is actually in stock and available in purchase in your area, as unavailable products may prevent items from being added to your cart. Next, refresh the Walmart page or close and reopen the Walmart app to eliminate any temporary glitches. If you are using the Walmart app, check for updates in your device App Store or Play Store. Launch it, search for Walmart. If you see the option update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. You can also clear the app's cache from your device settings to remove corrupted temporary files. If you are shopping through a web browser, clear your browser's cache and cookies, then restart the browser and try again. Another common solution is to sign out of your Walmart account and sign back in. You should also disable any VPNs, proxies, or ad blockers, as these can sometimes interfere with Walmart's website functionality. If the problem continues, try using a different browser, device, or internet connection to see if the issue is specific to your current setup. In some cases, Walmart may be experiencing temporary server issues, so waiting a little while and trying again can help. If none of these methods work, contact Walmart customer support for further assistance with your account or shopping cart. That's it. With these steps, you'll be good to go. Your problem will be resolved. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.